So you probably don't know this, but you're one of the first people that I heard of when I moved to the area that was kind of like a culture builder and like created the vibe. So I gravitated towards you before I even knew who you really were. You may not think it's huge, but you've done a lot for the area. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I like running on E, bro.
Located right smack in the middle of the East Coast, Norfolk, Virginia has over 600 independent restaurants, breweries, and distilleries.
I'm liking this.
And I'm gonna try them all.
That's a taco.
You can call me Namarama, or you can call Norfolk the city with bite.
One of my favorite restaurants in Norfolk were Aunties. Got my man Dodie with me. What's up? What's up? How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Doing well, doing well. Elaborate more on what tiki is and what that means, aside from just like a fancy drink. What is tiki, true tiki? It's a vibe, right? Like a aesthetic.
It's escaping any realities into a tropical space. What we're doing is celebrating the cocktails.
Yeah.
True to form, 60s recipes.
Speaking of.
Yeah, so that's a painkiller.
This is the painkiller.
This is a Mai Tai, and this has agricole rum, lime, heavy on the garnish.
Yeah, embellishments a little bit.
Yeah, you've got some aromatics here, some nutmeg, some fresh nutmeg.
Let's cheers real quick,
Cheers.
man. Nice. Where's that name Aunties come from?
It's a term of endearment, a sign of respect for elder or older women in our culture. A lot of our parents are either in the Navy or nurses, and they're working doubles, and dad's on tour. You had the auntie, uncle, grandma, and grandpa cooking for you. You had the fry spot that was in the garage, and you had it like outside. Yeah. Italians will do pasta and it's that's not like my mom's. That's not. Same thing with Filipinos.
Right.
It's like my mom does it this way, your auntie does it that way.
Because mom and aunt's cooking is not going to be the same, of course.
Right.
You know.
I think the first judgment should be, is it good?
Your menu itself is like it's full of flavor. In Dodie's brain, I know there's a lot of things swirling around up there, but like when you put this together, what was your main inspiration?
We do bar food with the inspiration of Filipino and Hawaiian. So we have the sisig tacos. Sisig being a Filipino street dish.
Yeah.
We have like masubis, and we have pancit and lumpia.
I don't know if you do it anymore, but the Uncle Bong sandwich,
We don't.
fire, dog.
That might make a comeback. I don't know,
Dude.
we'll see.
The poutine fries were wild with the gravy. Everything I've had here has been incredible, dog.
It has some flair to it, some flavor.
It's in your face in like just the right way, like it pops. I don't know, it leaves your tongue tingling a little bit, those tannins going. It's there all the way through. You're thinking about this an hour after you finish it.
I think what makes us different, there's a little American flair to it. So we put things like a gasing, which is traditionally a pork-based spicy coconut dish, but we made it into a burger.
And I dig that though. And I think it's important to like recognize that, like, yo, it's not authentic Filipino.
Right.
This is Aunties, you know? It's your spin and your take on it. Speaking of
This is a sisig.
sisig,
So this is like one of our popular dishes.
is this a family style meal? Yeah, or is this?
No, that's, you take
You
that.
share this,
Yeah,
or?
you can.
You mind getting into my photo for me?
Well, ow. It's cured, braised, deep fried, then we chop it up. It's tossed in pate, seasoned, bird's eye chilies, a little bit of spicy vinegar, then we throw it on the cast iron skillet.
It's so good.
Yo!